This
Hi, yes, sir. We cannot hear you now.
The workshop inside, maybe the signal is not so good.
Yeah.
Muhammad, hello. Maybe the signal is not so good.
Yeah, so I know. Because he's outside, right?
Yeah.
But he have good factory system.
Yeah.
It's really good.
The EPS. This kind, it is also vertical mode car.
You do parallel also, right?
Sorry.
It can only produce the sandwich kind. Yeah, for Yasa's factory, he can only produce the sandwich kind, and for your plant, our offer for you it is you can produce two kinds, both sandwich and solid.
That's right. And we can do hollow panel also.
Yeah. Yasa is in the mixing platform. No. Stand on the motor car. You can see this is the casting. Casting the cement slurry into the mold car. Yeah. Because Yasser, he is also an engineer, so he made some updates about the layout design in his factory.
Okay.
Yeah. According to his workshop size.
What is workshop size?
Yeah, because his workshop it is not too big enough, so he do some updates about this whole production line, about the production. This is the mixing platform. Surface panel. He used the fiber cement board. This is for automatic demolding. Demolding the wall panel from a mold car. This
From
part
where?
is EPS forming and boiler.
Silicon wood use.
Yeah, back to office now.
Yeah, we can see that.
Hello, yes, sir. We cannot hear you.